got the jumper now on my pliers. I'm gonna try to put it in there. Okay, I got it in there. It's really hard. See, there it is. That's that blue one. Now I don't have one here anymore. See, that's JP2, I think. I can't see it. But anyways, I moved it over there. Alright, now when you do that, let me hook up my wires here. Netflix. Turn on the power. When you do that, you get to see all the stuff that comes up. This tells you the RAM, 336K and 481,000 extended RAM passed. It goes just like a regular computer. Okay? And we're gonna go into it. I'm gonna close the door here. Please wait, testing memory. It's waiting for the video display to be done, right? And this is not gonna change until this finishes its boot up. Okay, there you go. Processor, the BIOS, and the 384 kilobytes of RAM. Okay, it's initializing. Please wait. MS verify. 4 seconds later, this changes, and you see like the desktop. You see program manager, and a few more seconds later, this will change. The wheels spin. Call attendant, please wait. It's gonna say please wait, and then that comes up, please wait. And this takes about 17 seconds, but after that the game comes right up. My credits came back on the machine, and it's going to be ready to play. This keeps popping up every please wait, please wait. But you notice when we put the jumper in, we were able to read all the stuff that was on there. Alright, it should be coming up any second now. There it is. And the game will come back on. Takes a second. There you go. See, it shows the last time I had a bonus round. Okay.